Hi, my name is Detres. The evidence-based practice that I'm going to be working on today is subitizing with 10 frames. So we are working from subitizing to develop his arithmetic fluency. So we want him to be able to subitize, and by subitizing I mean I want him to quickly glance at a 10 frame and be able to tell me how many dots he sees. And he's going to be using conceptual subitizing to put it into groups and allow him to do some mental computation as far as how many dots he sees. The intended use for this is I want him to develop arithmetic fluency, and I want him to look at the groups and start adding and subtracting by subitizing. I'm going to show you some dots on the 10 frame, and I want you to put them in groups and tell me how many dots you see. Okay? Try to subitize it. How did you know that?
4 plus 4 equals 8.
Okay. How did you know that it was 8?
Because I was thinking to move on and to go in and go equal 8.
How did you know that there was 8?
Okay.
What were the two groups? Do you remember the two groups that you saw?
4 plus 4 equals 8.
That was our group of 4. I'll show you one more time so you can tell me the groups.
9.
How did you get to 9?
Okay, 3 plus 3 equals 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, I'm going to show you one more time. Do you want to go ahead and count it?
Yeah.
Okay. So when we look at 10 frames,
I always did 8.
I know, there's going to be 8. I want you to look at the groups, okay? So before it was 4 dots here and 4 dots there, right? And now how many dots are up top?
3.
On top. 2, 3, 4.
5.
5, and how many are on the bottom?
3.
So 5 plus 3 is?
8.
Okay, so what I did was we did use 10 frames, and the idea for him was to subitize how many dots he had, and I rearranged the dots according to this, and in the 10 frame, and I wanted him to be able to put them into groups. So our first one was 4 over 4, and he was able to add that to make the sum of 8, and then I rearranged them again a different way. And so the purpose of this was just to find different ways that we can add to 8 using dots and being able to subitize them by glancing.